Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy and I was going to call this Sofa Sunday, but a little play on words, Sofa Sunday, So Far Sunday. So I just thought I'd keep you in the loop as to what I'm doing WIP wise. I've still got my willow square blanket, which will seemingly never end. Well, it's going to be a large project anyway, so I bought some more yarn for it and going to be cracking on with that hopefully when I've got a few minutes. And I did say that I was going to use this time over this weekend to design the bag that I want to do. Well, I haven't had really much time to do that because January in the family is a bit of a birthday month and there are 3. So it gets a bit expensive and a little bit difficult to go out, and because those birthdays are all in the space of like sort of a week really, or 10 days at least or thereabouts. So last night was my son's birthday, so that kind of stopped me from finishing or getting on with anything. So I'm going to be still doing that bag, and to get ready for it I thought I would get in the swing of trying to make one. I'm not going to do this I'm not going to do the other bag in this style, but I've been making like little granny squares to just make a little tote bag and kind of learn my little mistakes along the way, if you like. And for that I'm using the Cotton Creations yarn that I got from Hobbycraft. It's a Rico design and it's 50% cotton and 50% acrylic. And as you know, I did get rather a lot of them, and there are some of these in one of my giveaways, the Hobbycraft giveaway. So if you like that, then give that a little go. So yeah, I'm making these and I'm going to attach them kind of corner to corner like that, make the bag, make the strap, and then I'm going to do the bag that I wanted to make with this yarn that I got from my ice yarn order, which is a little bit too scratchy with the sequin part to use on skin. My stepdaughter thought it would be a good hat. It doesn't really hurt your head too much, but it is a little bit too scratchy. And being blue and silver, one of my favourite colours is blue, thought I'd make myself a bag. So I'm kind of having a little practice run with this, then I'm going to change it up big time and do it with this. So that's one of my whips that's on the go, or should I say 2 eventually whips that are on the go. So I've been keeping a distinct lack of project bags, so I'm just keeping all of that together in there for now. And I might as well put these in there with it so I don't lose them. But I've been saying for some time that I wanted to make a chunky mile a minute blanket to go on the back of the sofa. And last evening, as when we finally got in and sat down, we really just needed something to throw over our legs. So I thought, well, I keep saying I'm going to do it, and the willow square blanket being such a long project really won't ever get finished for months. So I figured, right, it's time to start it. So here it is, and I've made a bit of a start on it. Now for this, I did say, if you were here on my channel and you saw it, that I was going to be using these 2 yarns for that. And that's my absolute favourite chunky yarn from Poundstretcher in my favourite colours. And this one is kind of black, greys and mauves and pinks, and it's more of a, well, there's a lot less of the colours in it. So I figured that I would do this one as my main kind of stripe colour, and then these around the outside, and I really like the results. So yeah, I've made a start, and that's going to go over, it will hang in 2 points, not 2 but into points. Excuse all the ends, they do need obviously getting rid of, but yeah, it's going to hang in points. I'm going to do a border as well, but that's what it looks like for now. So I guess my question to you guys is, I did say that I might do a tutorial on it. Do you want one? Would you like this as a tutorial? Do you think it's something you'd be interested in? This is a real chunky blanket, but I know that you might not be able to get the exact same yarns, but I think that the dark and the light there with all these colours, they kind of really go together, and they look kind of striking. I really like it. So I'm very pleased with how that's turned out, and it's lovely and soft as well, which is always a bonus. So that's my 2 WIPs that I've got going on at the moment, soon to be 3 when I get back home and I can sort out the bag proper. So that's it. Well, I've also got an announcement that I have a yarn swap coming up. I was approached by somebody to do that, and I should have written it down, shouldn't I? Because I can't remember the channel name right off the top of my head. But yeah, look out for that. There's a yarn swap. I'm going to be posting that off tomorrow maybe, or Tuesday if I can. I'm carless at the moment, so it's when I can get actually to the post office. I will be posting that off to her, and she told me the kind of yarns that she likes, and so yeah, looking forward to that, another yarn swap. And I've got a couple of giveaways that I'm going to be doing, and so just keep watch out for them as well. And I've already got a couple on the go, so you know, I'll put links if I can in the description box to the giveaways that are going on at the moment, and there'll be 2 new ones announced within the next day or so. So thanks for watching, everybody. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you'll be informed when those videos do come out, and take part in all my live streams and all the fun. Thanks very much for watching, and until next time, bye for now.